Say what you want, bitch, I'm a fucking phenomenon.
Yeah, you better listen. I'm bringing heat, you'll be a fan when I start rapping away. I'll have your fucking head spinning. I know the spit bitches, release bombs and go tick, boom, you blow me that head missing. I'm a phenomenon, stacking cheese like Parmesan. Ain't different flows, call me Octomom. I'm moving fast like the Autobahn, and I'm independent, so I'm not your fucking starving like it's Ramadan. Sick, twisted, gifted, can't copy, printed, can't hold me down. I shape shit, I'm liquid. I kill this beat, I might get convicted. They know how I move, it was predicted. Persistence, spoken into existence, so consistent, no assistance. Hear me once, become addicted. If I rap it, then I live it. There's no cap, and I'll be spitting this.
Say what you want, bitch, I'm a fucking phenomenon.